Hey everyone, welcome back to Accounting Basics, where we make accounting and business finance simple, smart, and maybe even a little fun. If you've ever felt overwhelmed trying to plan your business finances or wondered where all your profits are disappearing to, this video is for you. Today we're diving into the accounting basics of business budgeting, how to plan, track, and actually use your budget to make better decisions for your business. Here's the truth. Most small businesses fail not because they lack customers, but because they lack control over their money. A good budget is like a GPS for your business. Without it, you're driving blind. With it, you always know where you're headed and how to get back on track when things change. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a business budget? A budget is a financial plan that estimates your income and expenses over a specific period, usually a month, a quarter, or a year. Think of it as your business's roadmap. It helps you set goals, make informed decisions, and avoid surprises. From an accounting perspective, a budget isn't a best guess. It's a tool that ties directly into your financial statements. Your income statement shows how you actually performed, while your budget predicts what you expect. Comparing the two will help you spot any problems early and adjust accordingly. Every solid business budget has a few key components. First, revenue forecasts. This is how much money you expect to bring in. Base it on past sales, current market trends, upcoming contracts, or realistic projections. Second, fixed costs. These are the expenses that stay the same each month and you know it, like rent, salaries, insurance, or software subscriptions. Third, there's the variable costs of things. These things change depending on your activity levels, like inventory, your utilities, or your marketing spend. Fourth, your one-time expenses. Don't forget things like new equipment or renovations that come up. And fifth, profit targets. The difference between your income and expenses. Setting a target will help you make decisions that support your growth. Here's a tip. Always double-check your assumptions. Overestimating sales or underestimating expenses can be one of the biggest budgeting mistakes made. So now, how do you actually create a business budget? Here is a step-by-step approach. First, review your financial data. Look at your income statements, your balance sheets, and your cash flow from the past 6 to 12 months. 2, set your goals. Are you trying to grow? Are you trying to cut costs? Or maybe you're trying to save for an expansion. Third, estimate your income. But be realistic. Use historical trends and current conditions. Fourth, list your expenses. Separate fixed and variable costs, and don't forget about taxes or loan payments. Fifth, compare and adjust. If expenses are higher than income, decide where to cut or how to boost revenue. And finally, monitor and update. Remember, your budget isn't set in stone. Review it monthly and adjust based on actual performance. Okay, so why does a budget really even matter? Well, a good budget will help you anticipate cash flow issues, measure performance, and support smarter decision-making. When you track your actual numbers against your budget, you get a clear picture of what's working and what's not. That is how successful businesses stay profitable and sustainable. Okay, so let's recap. Your business budget is more than a spreadsheet. It's your financial game plan, your early warning system, your guide to smarter growth. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more accounting and business tips. Thank you for watching, and remember, your numbers tell a story. It's up to you to make it a good one.